Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to reset your Apple ID password. Resetting your password is essential for maintaining your account security and regaining access if you have forgotten it. So, let's get started on how to reset your Apple ID password. First, open the Settings app. Tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. In your profile settings, find and tap on Sign In and Security option. Tap the Change Password option. When asked, enter your iPhone passcode to verify. Enter your new Apple ID password in the provided field. Re-enter it to confirm. Finally, tap on the Change button at the top right corner of the screen to save your new password. And this is how you can reset your Apple ID password. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.